My name is Darian Blair, and I am 14 years old, and I am representing Lackland Youth Center. My outfit was constructed out of used clothing. The shirt was the remains from my silk red slip, and the scarf originally was a floral blouse, and the t-shirt was a youth center t-shirt. If you look closely, the scarf is made from sleeves of the blouse. I trimmed it of its buttons and then cut the remaining fabric. The shirt was the hardest part of my outfit. I cut the waistband off the sleeve and proceeded to cut the outfit to make an opening for my head. After sewing for my first time, I cut the sleeve for visual effect. The US EPA estimates that textile waste occupies nearly 5% of landfill space. My inspiration for my outfit was that I'm not noticed. And art is my way of getting out to the world. So I just wanted to be Cinderella for maybe an hour or two. And I know when the clock strikes 12, it's my time to become a housemaid again.